this is going to be our second video for our Master Collection journey. This is David
and Kay.
And we are going to go ahead and crack this open. But before we do, I want to give a little bit of the statistics of the last box. Now, in the first box, we did get 17 rares, 6 super rares, 1 special rare, and 8 reversed rares. Or like the reverse foil, I'm sorry. So it's like the commons and uncommons that were now printed in foil. So we got only 8 of those in a box. So that's only a quarter of the box that we actually got. Wait, no, that's not even a quarter. That's a third, I'm sorry. A third of the box had reverse foil. So hopefully our ratio is better in this one. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with it. So, box number 2. Those and those. So you want to do the same thing, dash packs at the end?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so got 2 back there.
I like that little reveal we did.
Yeah. Exciting. Alright, so cracking open first pack. Let's go ahead and see. So, 113. Bardock. Jita. Tora.
Field card. More androids. I really gotta go through those androids and see what's gonna be better.
There's a lot of them. Another Zamas.
I still don't understand that card.
Yeah, I need to do a little bit more research because it just doesn't seem...
It just seems like a 1-block card.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh, you got a reverse. Nice.
Great.
Fasha. Ooh, and Vegeta.
So the rare and then the foil.
And then that's my foil. My rare. Whatever. You got to. Go ahead and get a little stack right there. Oh, I haven't seen him yet.
Oh yeah, I've seen him.
You have?
Yeah.
Oh.
Another leader.
Trunks leader.
Great.
Is he foil?
No.
Okay, I'll put that right there then. South Supreme Kai.
Yeah, just got him.
Did you get graded? No, okay.
Tora.
Oob.
Tito. Tito Kai. And the attendant.
Yeah, that's when they fuse. And I got a pan leader.
And I got a Bardock leader.
Nice. Well, we're getting there. We're definitely getting there.
But this one is a...
That's
Okay,
rare.
it is a rare.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, please don't let it be rare.
Well, if there's only 1 foil in the pack, that means it's going to be a rare. When you get that 2, I think it's always the last one.
It's always going to be the higher rarity card.
In the back, yeah. See, what's going on with these, man? Some of these packs, they're all tore up. Okay, let's scoot over so you can kind of see. Topo.
Topo. Another graded. We're going to definitely have a place in that one.
Mm-hmm.
Keep saying that. I still want to know if she's going to be good in mine.
More Bulma.
Boo. More boo.
And another Trunks.
I really like that. They're all crammed in there. We're gonna ruin guys in one little pod. And then I got...
Nice! What? See, started off with the super rares. Look at that Bardock. Super Saiyan 3 Bardock. Man.
He looks really cool. I like the energy one.
Man, that's awesome. Alright. Android 13 leader starting it off.
You're a leader if you doing this one.
Yeah, that's what I got. Nappa with hair, I'm telling you, this is not gonna get old.
I really like this little kid boo. And I got your Bagamo on
Look at that, see? Ooh. Striker Bardock.
Android 18, like, because it's a 3-drop. So I think it'll be go good in my cell deck depending on what her ability is.
And I got a Kid Boo leader.
I don't remember seeing this one. Maybe once.
I haven't seen that one yet, I don't think. Or if I did,
Here's a
then I missed
17,
it.
nice. And then, ooh, Zamas. I love my Zamas. wish he wasn't so expensive to play. I gotta find a way to make it cheaper.
Well, he's a 5. If you have Goku and Zamas on the field, it's a Union Patara. He's also got double strike. He's destructible. Yeah, he's pretty.
He's always indestructible.
So.
Another grade 8 beater. Nappa with hair.
Nappa.
Really, really like this card. I know I keep saying that, but I do. Oh, I haven't seen him yet.
Oh man, Majin Vegeta! Look at that. Man, see that reminds me of his kamikaze attack.
So I got the reverse foil of this common.
That's so cool. Oh, you got Oob, nice.
And then this is the rare.
Super buff Majin Buu. Oh, that's Super Buu actually. Yeah, those are the reverses. Yeah. And then you got the rares, reverses, and these supers.
There's so many different types of card rarities now.
Oh, they get me sometimes. Especially since it's super rare, special rare, and secret rare. They're all S's. So they throw me off hardcore. Mira. Man, see, the first card is usually the destroyed card.
Might be the way you're opening the pack.
I don't know.
East Spring Kai. Shun Shun.
Got some more 18 for you.
There's the not foil. Haru. So I got both of them in this one. I got Shun Shun and Haru.
Oh, there's something good in the back. What is that? Let me try and hide that a little bit. Oh, you got another one? What is this? 2 supers. What?
But we know I have that already.
Ooh, I got a super as well. Look at that.
Nice.
Super Saiyan 3 Goku. So that's the GT one. Man.
Topo is the first card in this
Look
pack.
at that.
I got a leader for the
Well, that's
rare on this one.
well, it's good so far. We're getting
And I got this one too. What the heck?
I really want to run these Gokus. I want to see what's going on with them. Got a Mew leader.
I got the Mew leader too. Ooh, I got the full version of the token card. And then that was the leader.
Nice. I don't think did we get that one yet?
I don't know.
No, I'm not too sure. Huh. Nice. I'll just finish this off real quick while you're opening that pack. Then another Vegeta. Nice. Can't have too many Vegeta. Love that guy. So awesome.
So I'm doing a painting right now that kind of looks like this too.
The cat had help.
I'm going to have to give him credit. Another grade 8 leader.
What's your favorite card?
It just looks so funny because they're all smashed into it.
Bizu. Goku. Oh, got 2 foils in this one. Look at that. It's got Kid Buu foil.
Oh, what? This lets me search for an Android 18 and a battle card with an energy cost of 3 less was placed into the drop area.
And that's the rare.
What? Lets me take it from my hand. That's cool.
You can take a 18.
Oh, look. Fearless.
Oh, you got a pan. What? That's 3 for you already. You have the luck, I'm telling you. Well, so far we have 4 supers and we had 6 last box. So let's see if we can't get at least there or a little bit more. Let's see. All right, so we got 13, Aja, See, now you're going to start seeing a lot more of just doubles, triples, quadruples, even more
I
of all
haven't seen
these.
this one, though. This
I
uncommon.
think I have. I'm not sure. I've seen so many Supreme Kais, it's not even funny. Oh, I think I got something in this one too. King Vegeta. And another Ultra Instinct Goku.
Nice.
Look at him. Man, that's number 3 now. Sweet.
This is my rare. Nothing too fancy.
Well, look at that. You're only ahead of me by 1 now. Hopefully I can
Hey,
get...
you're probably gonna pull the special out of this one anyways. So.
Man, don't no jinxing. See, now that you said that, you're gonna pull it.
I hope I do. I want to pull one.
Did I pull this secret last time, or did you pull it?
I pulled it.
Okay, see, that's my turn then.
I said special, not secret.
Oh, they said secret. See, these things, they always get me.
Oh, that's cool. I like that Trunks later. Is it uncommon? Now I'm seeing a lot of him now that I pulled the reverse one.
See, we need more reverse.
More robots. I think I got a leader for my card in the back.
Another Zamas.
Oh, I pulled this reverse foil though.
Nice, nice. I don't think we have him yet. The Spirit Bomb Goku. Nice. See, I think. No, I was gonna say I think we've seen all the rares now, but I don't think we have. I think we're still missing
A couple.
a couple. Oop, at least the back card is not a leader card. Bardock.
The Warp Trunks and your Bergamo again.
Mm-hmm. See, can't have too many of them.
Oh, that's a cool card.
Ooh, something's in the bag.
Cheater.
I didn't mean to, it just happened. And then a Kid Buu. Look at that. So, I think we're tied now? Oh my god, we're not tied anymore! What is this? Ah,
You suck.
man. Okay, so then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got 3. I thought I had you too. I was like, yes! We're finally on par! Nope, not even close.
Well, you're close. You can pull one more out of that pack.
Yeah, but the likelihood is...
Very slim.
Yes, because I've already done it. Ha! At least you can't get another one. So that's a leader, so we'll put that over there.
Yeah, yeah, this later.
Supreme Kai, Tora, Judgment, Kibito Kai.
Another android.
Ooh, I got a foil though. Look at that. Wait, didn't you pull that one already?
I think so.
Man. And then I got a Goku in his grade 8 form.
Look, I got a foil too.
Heck yeah.
And then I got this Vegito.
We need
leader.
all of them.
And
All
then
right,
the
so
dash packs.
yep, dash packs. Okay, which one you want?
This one.
Okay, hold on, this one. Let's see, let's see.
To me, they're harder to open.
These ones are a little harder. It's because it's a single card pack.
Yeah.
They're kind of weird.
I don't want to destroy the card.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Sorry, excuse me, struggling over here with this card pack. Trying not to ruin the card.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Are you kidding me? What? Well, it is what it is. You know, we still need at least 4 of them, so this
We
works.
keep pulling the same one.
That's awesome. But yeah. Alright, well that's 2 out of the 4 right now. And we got 2 of each, so that's cool. But yeah, so that's going to be it for today. Once again, we did get these cards from the card guys down in Corpus Christi, out here in Texas. So yeah, definitely look them up and see what's going on. They followed through with everything perfectly. Like, there was no issue, no lack of communication. Definitely check them out. But as of right now, that's going to be it. And
I was just going to say, they even overnighted for us.
oh, yeah, that's true, too. Yeah, they did overnight because they sent it out yesterday. Got to me by 9 o'clock this morning. So, extremely happy with what we did. But yeah, that's going to be it. So please like, share, subscribe, and watch out for the rest of our unboxing videos. Our journey to the Master Collection. And we're going to keep tallying all these statistics and see what we can't figure out for y'all out there. But until next time, take care.